Hey guys, today we're gonna tie a small baitfish pattern. I use this for sea trout. It's really simple. It's just with some craft fur, some dubbing, and then I use those cool tappet eyes from Pro Sportfisher. Easy to add and yeah, different sizes and so on. So we're gonna tie this fly in a small version on an SA220 size 6. It's a bit heavy hook, but for this pattern I like it. Then you don't need to weight the fly or anything. I gotta take some craft fur. This is some Grizzly. Just gonna tie in something for the tail here. And then I'm gonna take my dubbing here. This is left Saltwater in the color named Watery Olive. And then I'm gonna take some craft fur, put it in a dubbing loop. So just gonna put a little bit of super glue on the inside. Sure. And then I'm gonna use the Flexman UV resin just to shape the head in the right way here. So a very simple baitfish pattern. Of course you can do this in bigger versions too, for perch and sanders and so on. I like to use this one for sea trout in Denmark, so give it a try.